my dear friends, this is Gie and welcome to Gie Cucina. Today, I'm going to meet up with my girlfriends. We are doing a potluck and I'm in charge with a chicken. I'm not really sure what to bring, but I thought I should give a try, a recipe from Songgang Longas. This soy garlic fried chicken. She made it spicy. I love spicy food, but I'm not sure with the girls, so this will not be a spicy version, but we are using the same fried chicken mix. I got this from the Korean market, and at the same time we're using chicken wings. So let's get started. I hope this will turn out well, and so let's do it now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe with that notification bell. Let's marinate our chicken wings. First, make sure to season it well with salt and pepper. Add a teaspoon of minced ginger. Pour a quarter cup of soju or white wine. Then mix the minced garlic, about 3 cloves of garlic, and just mix well these ingredients together. Then set it aside, let it marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. Now we are ready to do our batter mix. We are using this Korean fried chicken mix. So in a bowl, let's combine a cup and a quarter cup of this mix and about a cup of water. And just coat the marinated chicken with the batter. And then you want to coat them again on a separate bowl with the Korean chicken fry mix. Now we are ready to fry our chicken wings. Let's heat up cooking oil over medium-high heat, and I'm using a wooden chopstick. If I see some bubbles, I know the cooking oil is hot and ready. And also, you want to fry the chicken wings in batches until brown and cooked through. For the soy garlic sauce, let's add a half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of mirin, and then 5 cloves of chopped garlic and a teaspoon of minced ginger, as well as a quarter cup of brown sugar. I'm also adding some crushed red pepper and just mix it, bring it to a boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. And we are almost done. Just coating the chicken now with a soy garlic sauce. This part is optional, but you can also garnish it with sesame seeds and some chopped green onions as well as cilantro. And here we are now in the potluck party. I'm so excited to eat. There's like a lot of food, and oh, that's pork sisig and rice and the Filipino style spaghetti sauce, and there's like a lot of food on the other side of the table.
Ikaw na kumasaya. Yung project eh.
Ganda mo eh.
Or saan ka?
Hi, Naya.
Hi.
Naya is so pretty.
They're so good. Your chicken's really good.
Yay! Thank you. And that's it, guys. That's my soy garlic fried chicken wings. I thought it was really good. I just hope there was a little spicy kick to it and maybe less on the fried chicken mix. But we all had fun together. There was like a lot of food as well. It was so nice to see all of them again. I hope you liked this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you again soon in my next video. Bye. Thank you.